So now my friend Zaven Chess Mood is going to be playing against the computer, like you requested, at the level 10 or maybe level 9, 2400 level. So after e4, like Zaven played, and the computer wants to play c5.
Okay, against c5, yeah?
Yep, against c5. And I think that they're going to be sticking with knight c6. Yep. Mm-hmm.
So let's go one more time, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Just make sure that you improve this last time. Yeah, this one take there. And take the d pawn. d3. Bishop e7. h3. f6. Very good. Queen c7. c4.
Wow. Okay, let's take the pawn. I have never seen this.
Mm-hmm. Knight h5.
Knight h5. Wow.
Mm-hmm. In this case, because it's so rare, maybe it's not good for some reason.
Okay, maybe, but it's at least very interesting because I have never seen this. I mean, I see, I know the idea with c4, but
Uh-huh.
I
Knight
have never
h5.
seen in this position.
Yeah, okay. Alright, c5. So the computer wants to go bishop c4.
Okay, so rook e1 is forced.
Mm-hmm. And now he takes on c3 with the bishop.
Yeah, for computer it's fine to take on c3, but for human, I believe no one will not take this.
Exactly, yeah. Dark squares are really weak for
Yeah.
him. But you have triple pawns.
Yes, sure. Okay, I should have find the idea to play on your dark squares.
Mm-hmm.
Because if not, then okay, it should be fine for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. If you play e5, then I believe blacks get a really good position.
Mm-hmm.
So e5, I'm just doing force move, like.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, let's go queen c1.
Okay. Wants to pivot to rook f8. Oh, d8 rather.
Okay, let's do this a3 because the pawn is hanging always.
Mm-hmm. Okay. He wants to go queen d7.
Okay, let's play rook b1.
Okay, bishop a2. Before a5. Bishop d5. Yep. There. Okay. Wants to go rook b8.
Oh, this game I like my position now. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. So the computer gives you chances, but then later on it gets really tactical.
Yeah, yeah. Of course, it's always hard to play against computer. I mean,
Mm-hmm. I agree. So alright, f5.
wow. Okay. Let's calculate e6. I like the move.
Mm-hmm.
e6. Here we'll go queen e8. Oh, queen c7, I have bishop e5, queen e8, queen e5, 9. Okay, this I'm going for sure. Later I will see.
Mm-hmm. So it goes queen c8.
Oh, knight rook f6. Yeah, you can play now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it does that.
Okay, anyway, rook e6 is not a problem for me. Okay, let's do this move.
All right, rook b1. So the computer wants to go aggressive and play g5. Knight g4. The computer will take that knight. Queen g5. Knight g7. Take the pawn. Knight a6.
But I believe my position should be better. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
3, 6, 7, and you have 4 pawns.
Yeah. So this king is very
Oh,
weak.
I could have played c4 move ago. I was winning is on spot. c4, bishop c4, rook e4.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Okay, rook a d1. Or rook b d1 rather.
bd1 here.
Yep. Alright, the computer will like to do rook b. Oh no, just rook e8. c4. Rook f8. King g7. Yeah, I think that is not the best thing for him. Take with the pawn. Okay, very good. I like g5. Now f4. Rook d4. Knight g6. Queen g3. Alright, the computer wants to play queen b5. Right, king g8. Okay, he has to take the queen, yeah. Got
Yeah,
it.
because otherwise the open check with rook.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like this position for you.
Okay, it's just...
Huh, yeah. Check. Oh boy, take there it goes there. That's gotta be bad for him.
Mhm.
And took the king. F4, yes, maybe. Now a matter of winning, so take on F4. Yep. Easy. Easy plans is king
Yeah.
E6. Hoping that you blunder. Yep, the computer goes king D5. B4, okay. King E5. A6. You take that one. A4. King there. King there. Yep, queen. King there. E6. Mm-hmm. King there. Yes, the main two come in. So this one. Mm-hmm. So it has to go there. Only move. Yep, and you got the mate.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
After this, I believe there is nothing to check.
Mm-hmm. That's true. So
Yeah.
one final question, Zaven, is like this computer is rated 2400. So do you think that a lot of people say that engines like rated that is given is not really that accurate? So do you think that is really realistically and like compared to humans 2400 is it lower or
No,
like the same?
I mean, exactly, this game shows like 2200. I mean, I can say like this.